Hi, I'm in the village where I grew up, and now I'm cooking a chicken tinola, which is just like a native dish in here. And if you can see, I have no gas, so I'm using a firewood at all, and of course like this, and it's not even working. So what I'm going to do is I just have to pile up all the woods in there like this, and then okay, so it's got like that, and I'll just have to check the and it's already almost let's see. Yum yum yum. So let's taste it. Mm. Yeah, and then it's our dirty kitchen before. Honestly, we're still using it anyway today. So you can see the bananas, and I don't know how you breadfruit, and yeah, that one here. My eyes are a bit red because I've been crying because dad I saw dad in my dreams, so in my dream last night, but anyway, it's all good. So I'm just going to put the malunggay, and here I'm quite desperate. Not even desperate, it's just like I'm so sad because due to the passing of my dad, but it's fine. At least I was able to come, and yeah, it's so sad. I don't want to cry anymore. And here it's ready.